Hey there! Today I'm going to share with you what I got in my last Stitch Fix box. I actually got this last month and it was the first Stitch Fix that I'd ordered in about 2 years, maybe a little longer. Yeah, I didn't actually film the unboxing video, but I ended up keeping everything. So I thought, you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and share what I got with you guys. Okay, so if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, it's an online styling service where you fill out a style profile and they'll send you 5 items of clothing. So right now with Stitch Fix, they do have a preview where they email you 10 items and you select the 5 that you want. And I think if you don't select 5 items, they'll fill it in with something else that stylist will just pick for you. Typically, you would pay a $20 styling fee, which gets applied to whatever you purchase. But since I have the Style Pass, I just pay $50 per year, and I don't have to pay the $20 fee each time I order. So that's why, you know, it's kind of nice. I can order as many fixes as I want and I don't have to pay the fee. So there's really no risk other than just spending a lot of money because if I like everything. Anyway, yeah, so this was my first fix in 2 years. I'd hoped I could get my stylist who I'd always had, which was Holly. But I noticed I have a new stylist and her name is Sarah. So let's go ahead and see what I got. And right now, you know, I'm not working in an office. Actually, I'm not working right now. I'm kind of taking a break. And prior to that, I've been pretty much working from home. So that's why I haven't really been shopping a lot or buying a lot of clothes. And I did mention that to my stylist. I just want casual stuff, you know, stuff I can wear if I go shopping or out to go eat or whatever. But yeah, so that's where I'm at. But anyway, the first item that I got is this top. This is by Beacon. It's the V-neck knit top in the color olive, small petite, and it's $39. So $39. I think this is very wearable. You see it has this kind of a, I don't know, ruching at the bottom, so you don't have to tuck it in, and I think it'll look nice. And I do like this kind of print. It's just like a small floral print. Yeah, I really do like florals, and it has like a V-neck. Next, I have this collared knit top, and this is by GILLI, and that's a brand that I really like, and I really do like stripes. So this is the GILLI Polo V-neck knit top. It says it's off-white, kind of beige almost, size small, and it's $39. So yeah, actually I really like this top, and I've actually worn it at least twice. Yeah. But it still looks good, I think, and it's been washed. Okay, next. Got another knit top, and this is by STACCATO. And this is the Melaira Flutter sleeve knit top in navy, size small, and it's $39. I think all of the tops so far have been $39. And yeah, this one has this kind of like just a small flutter sleeve. It's just very basic. Okay, next. I got this jumpsuit. And this is by Z Supply. And it's the Indy knit jumpsuit in black, size small, and it's $79. $79, and actually this material is very soft, and it's kind of a little bit of a texture. And yeah, I really like this. It's very wearable, and actually this I've actually worn twice since I got it. Okay, and lastly, I got a pair of jeans. And these jeans are by Cosmic Blue Love, and it's the Kendra High Rise Wide Leg jeans in indigo, size 4, and they're $98. So $98, I mean, that's not that cheap for jeans, but it's about what you would pay, I think, for like a good pair of jeans. And I kind of like these, but part of the reason why I ended up doing the 5 for 5 is that you know, you get 25% off if you buy everything. The only thing I wasn't too sure about were these buttons on the side. I wasn't sure if that would be unflattering, and also I like to stick my hands in my pockets. But I think this is a look, you know. Not that I'm like really into trends. I'm not trendy at all, to be honest. But I thought they were cute, and I do like these the wide leg. I don't have too many jeans that are wide leg jeans actually. Okay, so that's everything I got in my Stitch Fix box last month. So now I'm gonna go ahead, try everything on, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here's the first top. And yeah, I think it's just very, it's cute. It's very basic. It's cool. It's like a tank top. And it has this kind of like a cross body thing going on. And yeah, you don't have to tuck it in. That's what I kind of like. It's just easy. You don't have to think. Just put it on. And I have it paired with these white jeans that I bought beginning of summer, thinking, oh, I'm going to wear these all the time. And they were really expensive. I don't even want to say how much they were. And they were from Anthropologie because I didn't have any white jeans that weren't skinny. So these are supposedly straight leg, and they're from Page Denim. I do think they're kind of flattering. I'm just afraid to wear them. Okay, yeah, so I usually go with what's in the style cards, and the style cards show it with like a long white skirt. So instead, I don't have a white skirt, so this is like closest, and then also paired with a medium wash denim jacket. So let's see how that looks. Okay, so here it is with a denim jacket, and I think actually it's cute. And I think this is kind of like a shell almost, where you could have like anything, you know, like a blazer or a sweater over it. I think it would look cute. Okay, still have the tag on for these jeans. Anyway, yeah, so I think this is a very cute top. I did, like I said, get the 5 for 5, so I own it. Just haven't worn it yet, but I'm sure I will. Okay, so here are the second top, and I've paired it with the wide leg jeans. I did try to show it with some white sneakers, and I love white sneakers, and I live in white sneakers. But I don't know, I mean, I think it looks okay, but maybe it's best to go with something with a little bit of a heel. And here's the close-up on how the top fits. I like this, it's comfortable, and I think it looks nice if you tuck it in. And then the jeans, they do have this kind of a button detail, so you can't stick your hands, you can unbutton it and then stick your hands in if you want to, but it won't look as cute. And then you'll see, I think they fit pretty well. And yeah, I kind of like them. I think it would be more flattering with like something like a wedge sandal, so I'm gonna change that. Okay, and here it is with more of a slight heel. And you know, I am only 5'1", but these jeans actually aren't, I think they're okay in terms of length, but I think they look a little better. They don't drag as much if I wear a slight heel. But yeah, I think these are cute. I actually have worn these jeans before, maybe just once, and I've worn this top, like I said, a couple times already because I do really like this. But anyway, okay, and here is that other top, other striped top, and I just have it tucked in. I think that's how I'd wear it. Looks good if you tuck it into some high-waisted jeans, and that's how I have it. I guess you could also wear it with shorts. Yeah, they have it with actually dark jeans, and I think that would be nice. But yeah, this is just a casual, comfortable top, and it's very cool. It has a slight ruffly sleeve, and yeah, I think it's nice. Okay, here is the jumpsuit, and this is actually so comfortable. It's just very soft, and it almost feels like you're wearing pajamas. And then it's kind of low for me. It comes down to here, so I just put like a black camisole underneath. But that's just me. But I like this, and like I said, I've worn it a couple times. It's very comfortable. I think this actually would be really good for travel because it's just so comfortable. And you know, even though, you know, like it's like people wonder, how do you go to the bathroom? But it's actually really easy. You just kind of slip it down, and because it's stretchy enough, you don't have to like unbutton it. It does have like a button in the back, but honestly I haven't even had to use that. But yeah, very comfortable. I mean, yeah, this would actually be very good for travel, I think. And also it doesn't wrinkle. Yeah, you can just scrunch it up into a ball and it would still be nice. So this was a good find, and you know, I did get a jumpsuit in my short story, so now I have 2 jumpsuits. But I've worn this 2 times, and I'll probably wear the other jumpsuit next time I go out for lunch or something. But yeah, I really like this. Okay, so overall, I thought this was a really good fix, you know, especially since I hadn't done a fix in, you know, so long, 2 years. You know, I was pretty impressed. I wasn't really expecting much because my impression with Stitch Fix was that the quality hadn't been as good. Even though I hadn't ordered a fix, I had ordered things online directly. I forget what it's called, but it's just like regular online shopping. I think I had bought a couple things, but it's easy to return, and I think I returned a few things. I did find a pair of jeans that I actually really like, maybe last year, but other than that, you know, yeah, my expectations weren't very high. But I was pleasantly surprised, and you know, I actually am kind of looking forward to, and maybe even a little bit excited about doing another fix one of these days. Maybe not 2 years from now, but one day soon, I think. So the total for this fix for 5 items was $294, which honestly that is a lot. But if you buy all 5, you get 25% off, so that's $73.50 off. So my order subtotal came down to $220.50. And then because I did pay for, oh, the style pass was $49, not $50, $49, it came down to $171.50 was my total for this if you subtract my style pass. So $171 for these 5 items. I just decided to get it. I mean, honestly, with the 25% off, you know, unless if you're going to get a few items, you might as well just get the whole thing. If you're going to get $73 off, that's like getting, say, my jumpsuit for free or something. Yeah. But anyway, that's all I have for today's video. Let me know what you thought of the clothes, if you've done Stitch Fix recently, or if you're like me and you've I had pretty much given up on Stitch Fix, but I think, you know what, maybe I'll start it up again and yeah, see what else I can get in the future. As far as my channel, I was actually very pleasantly surprised. Yeah, a lot of you tuned in and left very kind comments, and thank you very much. I really do appreciate it. I actually was thinking, I don't think anyone's going to be watching, and I'm probably going to be starting from scratch, but yeah, so that was very encouraging for me. So I am going to continue with the YouTube and try to post more videos. I recently had lunch with my friend Cheryl. You might know her as Super Shopper Cheryl. And she was saying, hey, she could do a Ross haul for me. So she's out shopping for me. Gave her a budget of $100 and see what she can come up with. But yeah, that should be coming up one of these days. And I was thinking, I recently went to Uniqlo and did some shopping there, and I really do like Uniqlo's clothes, especially like athleisure, as what's called, that type of casual clothes, and that's pretty much what I live in. So yeah, I'll see what I can come up with. But anyway, that's it for today, and now I'm going to I was going to try to grab Lily, but she ran away. Shucks. So I guess I have Kaya. She's taking a nap, but I'll wake her up. Okay, so here's Miss Kaya. She's sleepy. It's the afternoon. Well, no, it's only 12:30, yeah, but that is afternoon. So yeah, so we've just been hanging out, me and Kaya, and probably maybe this afternoon I'll go do a little gardening. But other than that, I'm very, very lucky to have such a sweet dog that just keeps me company all day. But anyway, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, and hopefully I will see you next time. Bye now.